Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get this look right here. I'm gonna do a close-up on my eyes. But yeah, I'm recreating this look. I'll insert a picture right here where my ugly hand full of blue is at. A friend had sent me this picture so I can recreate it. And yeah, just the only difference it has is just the chunky glitter. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So starting off with the cola shade from my James Charles palette, I'm going to be packing that on my crease and making sure it's a really pigmented as color at first. I do be going back and forth with that right there. We're going to be winging it out to do a cut crease. Now I'm just going to be taking Playground and applying that on top of my cola and a little bit more uppers towards my eyebrow. And we're going to be blending it out, and yeah. Alright, so now I just got done blending everything like I want it to be. And also, I just looked back at my clips. I'm so mad. I don't know why the audio goes in and out. I'm just struggling, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know why in the hell. Everything just wanna act up, mainly for this video. Like, my old clips got deleted. And then, this video is gonna be trash. At least I feel like it. I don't know. I don't know. It's just really not. It's not my fucking day. It's not my video to do. Like, I'm just so mad at everything. Anyways, right now I'm just gonna cut my crease. And yup. You guys have seen me do this so many times. I don't think there's any explanation about it. I mean, only difference is that I have been trying out this new brush right here. You see how it's a flat brush and everything? I do like pack, I do swipe, like, you know, I'm just trying to figure out this brush the best I can. And yup, I don't know, I'm working with it. Now I'm just gonna be winging it out just to, you know, take out my cut crease right here. Also, I am doing this from far away. It's better if you have a mirror really close to you so you can see exactly what you're doing and how to precision. How do you say that word? How to precision it? No, I don't even know. How to put it correctly and everything. So, yep. That's me right now, just not giving a fucking doing it without, you know, the mirror so close. Alright, now I'm just gonna be tapping out the excess product. I do this because this makes my concealer super duper flat, and it makes the eyeshadow, anything that you're gonna put on top, makes it glide really nice on the lid. And you won't have any crease edge or anything. So this is how it's looking so far. I am sorry I am turned this way. It's because my mirror is right here. But yeah. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking the shimmer shade Hello. And I'm going to be applying that to all over my eyelid. Oh, I forgot I like to wet the shade so it's super duper way more pigmented. Just spray it. You can see the difference right there a little bit, just a little bit, not that big of a difference, but you can. Maybe through camera you can't, but in person you can. Wow, I fucked up. I forgot I put cola right here before I add the other shade, so I can make sure it's really defined. And I completely forgot to put this. So now I'm just going back in with the same brush that I was applying the first shade with Cola, and we're just gonna blend everything out right here. I will clean this up afterwards, but we're just having it right here just so it helps us blend and everything. You don't have to really worry about being so precise right there, because you do go after to clean everything out. Taking a little bit more of that Cola shade just to help the eyeshadow blend a little bit more, because I do notice these eyeshadows take a little bit more time to blend with and everything. So that's why I go back with the same eyeshadow to help it blend itself. And I'm just gonna be going in black. Now I'm just gonna be going in back with Playground and applying it on top just to help everything blend out even more, nice and seamlessly. Now I'm just gonna be going in with my ABH brush, and this will definitely do the job in blending everything. Now I'm just going back in with Hello just to make sure I get rid of all of that fallout that fell on top of my shimmer shade. Alright, so now I'm gonna be taking my NYX white eyeliner and I'm gonna be doing a wing like this one. If anyone has any recommendation of better eyeliner, white eyeliner, please let me know, because this one is trash. But this is the only one I seem to work better than a bunch of other ones that I've bought. The other ones are not as pigmented as this one, and it's just, I just hate that this one cracks so much. Alright, so now I'm going with the felt tip liner, black, and just to make sure, I'm gonna take this over it on top, just do a little line. Alright, I want to get this nice and precise. I'm gonna get this nice and precise, so that's why I have my mirror right here, so I don't fuck up. This eyeliner is so not black from the tip. I don't know why it dries out, but I can't find my other one at the moment, so. Alright, so that's how it's looking like so far. I did get a little bit on there, but I'm just gonna take a little bit of white and put it on top of it again. So that's how my eyeliner is looking like so far. So now I can just remove all of this right here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking my glitter glue and I'm gonna be applying that all over where my shimmer is at, so I can apply my glitter on top. And I'm gonna be taking this glitter right here. I hate how it falls all like that. But yeah, I mixed this glitter with all the glitters I have. So yeah, I'll just have everything linked down below. I do like to work in sections just because I feel like that's super duper better than applying the glue all at once and letting it dry out too soon, if y'all know what I mean. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking my dual lash glue and I'm gonna be going by sections also to apply the chunky glitter on top of my fine glitter. Alright, so now this is how it's looking like. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. This is why I like chunky glitter. It just makes everything look even more intense. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do my foundation and everything off camera, and I'm just gonna get back to y'all when I'm doing my under eye. Alright, I just have my foundation and everything on, even my bronzer and everything. Ignore my hair. I just got out of the shower. I'm waiting for it to dry because I don't blow dry my hair. I just let it dry naturally. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking Cola with this little detailed brush and applying that under my eyes just to smoke everything out. Now I'm taking this brush right here and I'm going to use it just to blend it out a little bit, because I am going to be taking Playground, that light blue, and I'm gonna be applying it on top just so I can have the same colors from the top, and on the bottom taking that playground, and yep, right here. See, this is so annoying. I should have tapped it out because I just got some fallout right there, but I'll just go back in and take it off after. All right, so that's how that's gonna be looking right there. I'm gonna be applying more glitter right there because we're gonna be taking it on our lower lash line as well. All right, and I'm just gonna be repeating this process that I did on this eye, and I'm gonna be doing it on this eye. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. I had put, damn, I did a bunch of shit. Ugh, how annoying. I had taken ring light and put it on my brow bone just to make it pop, and I also mixed face and ring light and put it as my highlight today. That is what I'm wearing. That is what I'm wearing right now. And now to finish off the look, I'm gonna be taking this Milani liquid lipstick in Adorable. I am not gonna lip line my lips just because I'm too lazy. All right, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Let me just give you a close-up of what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Let me just like turn, you know, from any single side so you can see the glitter. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.